Being sustainable is important, and that is why we need to make the school more sustainable too. We want to do this by separating waste because then less damage is done to the environment. We will run out of places to bury the waste, so we need to recycle the waste. The more schools get involved with recycling, the stronger the message to the government that action is needed on a global level will be. The presence of humans in a variety of ecosystems is normal and expected. We, like plants and animals, need food, water and shelter. Our goal should be to do this in a way that ensures our habitats are maintained for the future generations. We want to separate waste into 3 categories: plastic, paper and rest. This would be fruits and vegetables. This is going to be a challenge since throwing away trash in any bin is already difficult for most pupils. But the photo you see here is the idea that we would want to have as bins against the wall around the school. The bins that would be needed for the punishment or the teachers during the breaks are going to need a different design. What we came up with is actually pretty simple. Taking the same shape as the bins we have now with the 3 different compartments, just like the one on the picture. The only thing missing are the handles to make it easier to carry around.
Advantages. We can reduce the area used for dumping waste. Garbage in some materials is not easily degradable, so those landfills have been seriously eroded. By recycling our garbage and separating it, we can reduce waste volume by up to 50%, so we'll reduce environmental pollution.
Plastic waste is in the soil can cause harvests to fail. Animals eating the plastic waste could result into the death of animals. Therefore, recycling can reduce hazards. We'll be able to turn waste into treasure by separating waste. We can turn it into all kinds of new projects. Also, we can save fossil fuels by not having to produce as much products with the original measures.
The punishment is the most important element of our plan. We are aware of the fact that students will most likely not follow some silly rules that are given to them. However, we came up with a few punishments. The first one is essay writing. The second one is detention. If the teacher has caught you not picking up your trash for a couple of times, then you'll have to pick up others' trash and play the role of a steward. So, all together now, in which world do you want to live in? The right one? Well, let's make a change together.